limousine.
How cool that is, man.
Really cool, eh? Like the Rolls Royce as well. Do you know what I just noticed that I never noticed last time he was here? Like a Daleks in the roof. Crazy, eh? Norton. It's a BSA. BSA Rocket 3. This is Guy Martin's prized possessions. Oh yeah, there's some cycling there, look. It's on his bike.
Oh, this was done.
Right there.
They did it on the beach. Look.
Andy was just saying that Guy Martin cycled 112 miles per hour on a beach using that bike. It's insane. We don't make bikes like that, do we? For normal people. Trotters, independent, that's ace. Oh, that's cool. Like a Chevrolet Nova SS. Crazy, is it? Andy's first bike from the 19th century. This is what I'm here for, like the 2001 Jaguar R204 Eddie Irvine Formula 1 car. That's ace. BSA. So if I remember correctly, Richard Hammond used this one in the Mobility Scooter Challenge, and then you had Jeremy Clarkson and James May, another one. So this is obviously a Top Gear challenge where they turn their cars into boats. Pretty sure this one was from the Top Gear episode where back in the days when electric cars were rubbish and had no range, and they made their own one and drove about England in it. Ambulance. Lotus XL camper van. My personal favourite though is this one. This is the one that got me into cars and motorsports in general. The indestructible Toyota Hilux that they demolished on top of a block of flats, and it was still survived at the end of it. It's amazing. If it wasn't for this specific truck, I would know nothing about cars. Crazy. This is the damper van. You see inside. Smells pretty funky. So what they would do is they would meet in a room, right, at the next to the Top Gear track. They've got this like kind of like hut they would meet in, and they would have meetings, and they would just sit there and come up with the plans in advance and write the scripts and all that. That's cool.
Yeah. Psychopaths, huh?
That's nice. Thank you. It's so cool having it up here in Scotland, eh?
Oh no, it's fantastic.
This is the old trams they used to have in Aberdeen. They would go down Union Street, up to the beach and all that. You sit inside there or sit upstairs. Never got rid of them. We're hiding in an old-fashioned train carriage because there's children everywhere making a racket, running about, and we're like old now, so we can't be arsed with the noise. Oh no! Nice carriage, though, eh? Isn't it crazy that we got rid of these beautiful, luxurious trams from the city centre and replaced them with manky buses? Imagine you sat chilling, got your nice velvet curtains, nice sofas. Nice wood.
Fish heads.
Yeah, imagine though, it'd be beautiful. You got the nice warm lights and stuff on the ceiling.
That's why you put your beer.
Men back in the olden days, you get your little pedals there. They must have been puny and tiny because there's no space in this thing, eh? Absolutely no space. Doot, doot. Got a little window at the back, got a lever here. Must be my brake.
This for beer.
My haze crates. No, that's what the crates are for. They're for all your beer.
Yeah.
Is haze not juice? Fizzy juice. I think it's fizzy juice. Now, this is an old Aberdeen delivery truck. This is a giant snow plow. Now, if we can get this plow to start, right, that would be a good solution to the noise problem.
Yeah.
Turbo nitrogen tank for when you want to get dangerous, you know. If it's anything like the movies, the keys will be under there. Let's get the keys. Feeling that, we can use these. As you can see, this is the Jaguar train they created in Top Gear to drive about on the tracks. The Rambulance. This is where we're hiding. It's nice. Luxurious hiding spots.
Oh, yeah, any better than this.
These, the British bikes.
Can take one for
Triumph. Solution for the noise problem.
Yeah.
Look at that. Bonaccord. A Sinclair Ski 5 on skis. That's so cool. Let's go get some aspirin. Let's go get some aspirins.
Cheers.
Andy, where are you going? You're parked over there.